Calculate confusion matrices. For this exercise, we will use a Landsat 9 dataset for different RoIs, excluding the urban one, used to train a SAM supervised classifier, the result of the SAM classification, and a set of truth RoIs, where the same for-classed polygons have been selected in other areas than the ones used for the classifier training. Use the confusion matrix using ground truth image and confusion matrix using ground truth RoIs tools to calculate confusion matrices and accuracy metrics. Use a ground truth image. When using a ground truth image, you can also calculate error mask images for each class showing which pixels were incorrectly classified. Note, the ground truth image and input image must have the same X and Y dimensions, pixel sizes, and spatial reference so that their pixels exactly align. From the toolbox, select Classification Post-Classification Confusion Matrix using ground truth RoIs. The classification input file dialog appears. Select a classification input file and perform optional spatial and spectral subsetting, then click OK. The ground truth input file dialog appears. The Match Classes Parameters dialog appears. Match the ground truth RoIs with the classification result classes by selecting the matching names in the two lists and clicking Add Combination. The class combinations are shown in a list at the bottom of the dialog. If the ground truth and classification classes have the same names, they are automatically matched. To remove a class match from the list, select the combination name. The two class names reappear in the lists at the top of the dialog. Click OK. The Confusion Matrix Parameters dialog appears. Select the pixels and/or the % check boxes. Click the Yes or No toggle for Report Accuracy Assessment and click OK. Looking at the results, it can be noticed that the overall accuracy is more than 79%, and, taking into account user accuracy, forest, snow, and water classes are very accurate, while the vegetation one is not at all. From the production accuracy point of view, forest and snow are quite accurate, while water and vegetation not, meaning that many cells have been misclassified. In the case of water, more than the 18% were confused with snow and more than 40% unclassified.